Hey everybody, how we doing tonight? Hopefully we don't have any issues tonight. So we will see what happens. So we're going to be talking about knowing what your rights are under martial law. Do you know what your rights are under martial law? So that's what we're going to be talking about tonight. We're going to be talking about martial law a little bit as well, and the aspects of it, and could they pull it off, and how would they do it, and all those type of things as well. Okay, so anyway, before we get started, I would like to just make sure that everybody realizes that, just like I normally do in the beginning of these chats, this is a very family-friendly oriented channel. So please keep the chat clean, and don't no racism, no nastiness to each other. If you do, my moderators will boot you out of here. Okay, so anyway, I hope everybody's doing well, and welcome. Also, when I'm done talking, if you have a comment or something that you want to say, if you put it in all cap lock, this stands out for me even better. Okay, so anyway, so I hope everybody is doing well, and we're going to get ready to get started here. So, hey Russell, how you doing tonight? How's everybody doing? It's good to see all the familiar faces in here, like always, which is very nice. And so let's talk a little bit about martial law. So, what rights do you have or do you not have under martial law? Okay, so martial law has been enacted a few different times, obviously, and throughout the history. Most recently, one of the times that it was enacted, obviously, was Hurricane Katrina, but it was done regionally. Okay, and a lot of times when you have issues, martial law is going to be enacted in a smaller, segregated area where there's generally with a natural disaster involved and stuff like that. Okay, so no Bill of Rights, no habeas corpus. Right, Robert Blakemore. You're pretty much right on the money with that. But so it's a suspension of many or all of your constitutional rights. It is possible that they will suspend everything. Okay, so you will have no rights. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you some examples of some of the things that they can do under martial law. Okay. They can do gun confiscation. It is very common, and so your rights to bear arms will definitely be infringed. If there is a martial law situation, they may come and they may take your weapons, okay? Like they did during Hurricane Katrina. They went in and they disarmed people, all right? So your right to free speech is also at risk. So they can suspend free speech altogether, so that you cannot assimilate, not gather in groups and speak your mind. That's not going to be allowed under a martial law situation. All right. Your free travel will be impeded or suspended. So what does impeded mean? They can set up checkpoints, and they can either say no travel at all, or they can say you can travel, but you're going to have to go through these different checkpoints and make sure that